For years, the United States and China have been locked in a multi-billion-dollar race to build the world's largest foundational AI models. But these mega models are hitting a technical wall. They are rapidly running out of high-quality, human-generated text to train on. Compute power alone can no longer guarantee dominance. To keep improving, artificial intelligence requires a massive, fresh stream of diverse human data. To keep their algorithms learning, Western tech giants are forced to look beyond their saturated domestic markets for new digital raw material. That search leads directly to India. With over 1 billion people generating daily digital interactions, the country offers a volume of human data that is unmatched by almost anywhere else. This data generation is supported by an expansive digital infrastructure, including over 700 million smartphone users with access to some of the cheapest data rates in the world. Nationwide public identity and payment platforms have digitized the daily lives of hundreds of millions, creating a continuous stream of structured behavioral data. The financial stakes reflect this value. Companies like Amazon and Microsoft are investing over $67 billion to deepen their local AI footprint, with government projections suggesting that figure could triple in the next 2 years. Beyond volume, the data provides deep linguistic and economic diversity. With at least 121 major languages, the country serves as a rigorous testing ground for refining global models. This combination of scale and variety makes India a critical training ground, a market that the builders of global AI models simply cannot afford to ignore. This influx of technology brings domestic tension. There is a persistent fear that automated tools will replace the IT service jobs that helped build the country's middle class. However, the scale of the talent pipeline is difficult to replicate elsewhere. India produces roughly 1.5 million engineering graduates every single year. This workforce is increasingly focused on learning how to deploy and manage AI tools to solve problems in complex, large-volume environments. The tech sector is shifting from providing basic labor to providing the specialized talent required to make AI systems function at scale. Despite the massive workforce, India's AI sector operates with limited domestic research and the deep capital needed to train native large language models from scratch. Because building the foundational layer requires immense compute, local startups are concentrating on the application layer at the top. They utilize existing global models to build practical, demand-led software that automates complex tasks like localized business solutions or software engineering. Large-scale domestic investment supports this direction. Reliance Industries alone has committed $100 billion to the infrastructure required to host these new AI systems. By focusing on practical implementation, developers are turning the lack of native compute infrastructure into a catalyst for dominating real-world AI use cases. Raw foundational models are often too generic to account for the specific linguistic and economic contexts of the Indian consumer. This illustrates the role of AI experience design. It acts as a contextual filter, refining generic models into personalized interfaces for specific industries. These experiences make the technology intuitive for a middle class projected to reach 60% of the population by 2047. As more people use these personalized tools, they generate more refined data, creating a feedback loop making the underlying models even more effective. This focus on personalization allows the country to unlock the true utility of AI for a vast and diverse population. The long-term ambition is to take these solutions, battle-tested in the domestic market, and export them. If an AI application functions across the linguistic and economic complexities of India, it is highly likely to succeed in other emerging markets across the global south. This aligns with the national strategy championed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government to design and develop locally while delivering solutions to the entire world. The focus remains on the application layer, building the personalized, high-utility tools that make AI functional for the next billion users.